everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Rachel Amma, and today I am joined with Will.i.am and J. Cole. James Franco and Chocolate Drop. Wait, we are back today with popular demand because they are going to be making a vegan meal. I asked them what kind of food they want to make and they both picked lasagna.
Is this going to be enjoyable?
Well, we'll have to find out. Essentially, this is a very, very easy vegan recipe to start on. So I am not going to be cooking. I'm going to tell them what to do and then they are going to cook it. So let's see the culinary skills, the chopping skills of a young Josh and Michael.
I appreciate that, thank you.
let's start cooking, yeah? So I asked these guys if they want to have vegetable lasagna or meaty lasagna. They both literally just said meaty. So we're using soy protein, hydrated soy protein. So first thing, one of you.
To be fair, that's probably where it ends for Mike.
Yo, listen, I can throw it down in the kitchen. Don't mind this guy.
Throw it down in the kitchen.
Everything, bro. I'm not quite sure how this is gonna turn out to be fake meat because it looks like Rice Krispies right now.
Now we're gonna make a tomato sauce. So I need you guys to chop up some onions, chop up some garlic, and we're gonna add some herbs, yeah?
Cool.
As you can see, we have an onion here, which is red. Slice it straight down the middle. Nice and thin, we don't want it too... Is that... Oh! That's gonna bleed, I've cut myself.
Really?
Got plaster.
Freaking amateurs in the kitchen.
Right. So how does it work? I'm gonna show you how to cut up some garlic cloves. We've got 3 already peeled. This is my style, you can do it however you want, horizontal, vertically, diagonal, I don't know. This is how I prefer to do my thing. I know I'm gonna get this in the comments, it's fine. There you go.
Plaster.
I don't even know if I have any. Josh is back. Band-aid.
Just about.
Wound later.
So, okay, let's not... I know what happened. I don't need to be reminded. You know what I mean? So we're just gonna chop that up. Out here, 2018. What?
Is that how you chop onions?
What?
Yeah.
Come on. Are you impressed?
Very.
Mind blowing. Is it supposed to happen with red onions, or am I just being a bit of a...
It just depends how strong the onion is.
Bring it all in.
Wow, wow, wow.
Mike, you don't look impressed.
Here we go, guys.
You said it, look, come look.
So we are going to put the garlic into
Let's
the
heat the
sauce.
pan first.
Yes, very good, Rachel.
You idiot.
Okay. Can I have like a something to stir?
Yeah.
Cool.
So I just want you to put some oil in the pot.
Alright.
I would have preferred if you cut the garlic a little bit smaller, so you might taste the chunks. And we also want to add the onions.
Easy.
Josh's turn, Josh's masterpiece.
Now, we want all of these in there, right? I'm just gonna drop them in. Let's get into a section. We don't want to get on the cooker because that means cleaning up afterwards. And I don't know about you guys, but I know that once I've finished cooking, I want to eat. You're welcome. Do you want to jump in now?
Yeah, that's fine. So what you want to do, you really want to get the flavors out. You really want to extract the flavors so you can taste them when you eat them.
All right, guys. While this is cooking, we want to get some herbs in. So we're going to use some oregano. So could you add some oregano?
Do you want to chop it up?
Chop up what? That is not oregano.
No.
That is parsley.
And that's why we're here, to educate others and the viewers that are listening here
It says
today.
oregano. What did you pick up? What did you pick up?
Did you pick up anything?
But it says...
Now, some of you might think this is something else, depending on where you're from and what you do. Just gonna...
Oh, that's a lot.
And that's what gives it the real taste.
Use the whole parsley.
Huh?
You better use it all. You've chopped it all up
No, we're
now.
gonna use it all. We're gonna use it all. Greens are important.
You just be a bit active.
No, hold on. Cut! Just gonna mix that up a little bit there. How much would you want to use here?
You know the shows, yeah, where they're like, I remember the summers of 1995, my mother used to make this dish for us all the time. And I used to, you know, me and my brothers and sisters, there was about 8 of us, we'd run up to the kitchen and be like, Mum, can we taste? She used to slap our hands and be like, fries are bigger than your stomach.
Oh, I don't know if I can do this anymore. Honestly.
Mike, have you added some salt and pepper?
Hello, yes, the salt and pepper. Salt, you know, bit of pepper.
Yeah.
Depending how spicy you want it.
I don't really think pepper gets spicy.
That's what I never said that. You've been eating the oregano.
Wait.
In your beard, like I
Josh,
said.
what's in your beard?
Nothing? Nothing at all. I'll be back.
Alright, now you want to add your fake meat.
Do you mind just getting the...
It's going to need to be drained.
So yeah, so what do I do with this Rice Krispies? It's not working.
Cook yourself.
It's gonna take a while.
Right, see that's it.
You said dunk in there and I said we should use the...
Basil or parsley or both. I'm leaving it up to you.
I'm gonna go for both. Because the flavours that it brings out. So I'm just gonna go on Google and
Blank.
just going to... Huh?
Don't panic, it's fine.
No, I'm joking.
I've done this before, haven't I?
That's 1.5 cup of cashews to the blender. You're gonna add 1/2 cup of water. You're gonna add some lemon, fresh lemon. You're gonna add some garlic salt, and you're gonna add some nutritional yeast. And right at the end, we're gonna add some basil and salt and pepper.
She said so many things. She just said bad things to me.
I got all of it.
Go on then, step up. You got all of it, yeah? Look in the camera and say you got all of it.
I got all of it. So this is 1.5 cups of cashew.
Right.
That's
Easy as
two.
that. Some yeast flakes.
Add 1/2 cup of water.
You think that was a third?
Squeeze the lemon. Right, garlic salt.
How much just to enquires?
Teaspoon. Oh wow.
That's a teaspoon. Alright, cool. Salt. Hey,
I want to add some chopped up basil to that. Like a pinch. That's not basil.
That is it. I'm gonna pop that off.
That's parsley.
That's parsley and that's basil. Are we getting that on the camera?
Yeah.
Good. Just gonna bring it up here.
You have to.
dickhead. Idiot.
The one in my house you just tilt.
Well, this one you turn.
Yeah, and I know that now. Thanks. You didn't chop it up.
You chopped it up.
You.
Yeah, that's there you go.
What I need you to do is
Yep.
I need you to crush some macadamia nuts, add some nutritional yeast and some salt and some pepper and some oregano.
Really, really good.
Right, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna pop it in the old oven for 45 minutes, Mike? 45 minutes.
45 minutes, yes.
45 minutes, we're gonna pop it in the oven and we'll have a little taste. Now we're gonna pull it out of the oven. It should look a little something like this. Oh.
Okay, let's taste test to see how well your food cooking went.
I must say I'm pretty amazing. Me in particular.
Oh, you? No, me.
Yeah. Stop,
Does it taste any-
stop. This tastes very cheesy. I'm getting all kinds of cheese, and maybe you're not on it yet.
Oh no, you know, it does taste like cheese, but it's not like overly cheesy. Like,
I'm getting a good kick. Sorry, what did we put in this again? Wait, what? I was happy last time, but I'm really happy again. This bangs. This actually bangs. What are your thoughts?
I was just thinking, there's no meat in this.
The textures, banging. Taste, banging. My cooking, banging.
My cooking, banging.
Alright, how does it compare to a regular lasagna that you would have with meat and cheese?
I'll be honest, it pretty much tastes just like lasagna. So
I would agree.
It's very easy to incorporate into your lifestyle if you are cutting out meat.
And again, because we've made the cheese out of, was it cashew nuts?
Yeah.
You're getting a good source of protein. So,
Look at this guy, look
But-
at this guy.
do you know what I mean?
And
Don't
you've
need meat.
added soy protein, so there's even more protein in this.
and I would say that this takes the same amount of time to make actual lasagna.
Yeah, which is a problem that I initially thought was going to be a problem.
I think I prefer the cheese substitute of cashew nuts
Yeah.
over actual cheese. I think I prefer that, I'll be honest.
Guys, they're happy. They are enjoying their creation.
I'm not going to lie, when we were making it, I was a little bit concerned. I don't know about you, like, I was trying to, you know, play it along as if, yeah, this is calm, but
It always works out in the end.
if you want to just get that off your lip.
Oh, thank you, thank you. She's always got my back, is it gone? Is it there?
Have a look.
I don't eat soy, so I can't have much of it. But I want to taste to see what they did. Oh yeah, that's great. Yeah.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
What I would say is me personally, I would have added maybe some courgettes, some aubergines, some mushrooms. But when I asked them, they made it very clear that they wanted the meat substitute.
You know what we sprinkled on top?
Yeah.
That is brilliant. That is good. That should be on all lasagna. I'm gonna continue enjoying my lasagna.
Please do.
Yeah.
Please do.
Alright, yeah.
Health is rocketing. What did you think? Organic as well.
Oh, we meant to sprinkle parsley on top.
So you ruined it for us.
I've not ruined it for you guys.
Right.
Well,
Just here. Do you know what this would incorporate with? Salad.
salad, 100%.
In Spain they call it salada. So
Ensalada.
Feel free to try this recipe out for yourselves. Very simple, very delicious. And you can swap out the soy for the vegetables if you like.
Oh, it's just so good.
So would you guys incorporate this recipe into your daily lives?
Yeah, 100%.
Nice and easy. I'm gonna go home and make this as soon as I get back.
That's a bit of exaggeration.
Slight
exaggeration.
How is there no cheese and meat?
And it's so creamy.
How?
Final verdict on your homemade vegan lasagna.
On point.
Banging. Just like last time. Exquisite.
Credit to Josh and myself.
Mainly myself.
Mainly me though.
Who coached you along?
Well, I went to a cooking school, so that's how I knew.
If you went to a cooking school, I would expect the garlic to be chopped a lot better than the way that you chopped it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching these guys cook. They are not vegan, they're not pescatarian, they're not vegetarian. So this was a first for them to be cooking a cashew nut cheese, adding macadamia nuts, using soy as mince. This is all completely new to them and they did it and they loved it. So that is a testament that this is definitely something that they can incorporate and other people can incorporate into their lives. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please, please, please let me know if you want them back in the comments. Let me know and we can try and get them to come back on the channel. Josh, do you have anything to say?
It's been a pleasure as it was the first time round. I enjoyed myself.
And Michael?
Thank you for watching, much appreciated.
Do you want to plug your Instagrams?
Instagram, joshua.millwood. Go have a gander. It's not
Joshua.
B, because now you're going to get it confusing again.
My one is MikeyB_. No. Yeah, sorry. Mikey B. Wait, sorry. So Mikey B_1. So Sorry. The Instagram.
M-I-K-E-Y.
Hold on. The Instagram is.
Man said, hold on, wait.
My Instagram is MikeyB_1. Go have a look. Oh man, that was funny.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new videos every Sunday, and please, please, please give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it and you do want them to come back. Maybe they can do some taste tests, some more challenges, or maybe they can just cook again. Let me know in the comments.
Make sure to this.
Why are you speaking French? Make sure you. No, talk English, please. Why are you speaking French? What?
He jumped in so confidently.
The way I thought I had that, you guys put me off, man. I meant to say, make sure you subscribe. Woo! I'm not waving because I waved last time and it backfired. Salute.